So what's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing a ball joint mount for patable action camera. Patable? Who knows? Found it on Amazon, pretty cheap. Should make the front GoPro mount footage probably a little bit cooler. So let's check it out. First of all, gotta get it open. So what do we have here? What is a ball joint camera mount? Well, basically, you loosen this up and your camera can rotate freely any way it pleases, 360 degrees. And it broke. And we're back. I just had it a little bit unscrewed a little bit too far. But basically, you put this in on whatever GoPro mount you have. Then you put your GoPro here, and now you have a ball joint. So let's check it out with the GoPro on there, see what it looks like. So you got your GoPro, slide it in there. And tighten her up. Well, maybe not. I think we need a longer screw. Got your GoPro, got your long camera screw, and you tighten it up. So now you're mounted here. You go this way with it, turn it down, up, however which way you want to look. 360 degree rotation. So here's a little bit of sample footage of what all can be done while you have this thing mounted. Check it out. So yeah, that's basically the ball joint setup here. Can loosen it up. So yeah, you can like do this. So yeah, you can like change it mid-ride basically if you wanted to. But that's kind of about how I had it set up. And yeah, the footage was pretty cool, having all the different angles in one ride. So if you liked it, the link will be in the description below. And if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool videos. Thanks.